Alright, today I have a Kia Sedona and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the overhead ceiling lights, also called the dome lights, in this particular vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm sitting in the vehicle behind the steering wheel. I'm going to look towards the ceiling. Alright, do you see this? The ceiling. Alright, now I can turn on, first I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the reading lights. And you do that by pressing this right here. You see that? That's the reading light for the driver's side. Press this, that's the reading light for the passenger side. All right, now to turn them off, I'm gonna simply go right here, tap them again, and they are off. All right, now I'm going to turn on the overhead lights throughout the entire vehicle. Now to turn them on, I'm just gonna simply press that, and it turns on the lights throughout the entire vehicle. Pretty cool feature right there. Now to turn them off, I'm just gonna go ahead right there and press that button and turn them off. Now there is a door feature, all right? So like right here, if I press this right here, this, if I have this pressed in, the light will turn on when I open the door, all right? So it's off right now, press it in, open the door, the lights turn on, and when I shut the door, it turns off. Now, if I don't want this feature on, I'll press it again, it is off. When I open the door, the lights don't turn on. All right, that's how you turn on and off the lights in a Kia Sedona. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.